Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix your flashlight on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So I'm on my iPhone here, and I'll walk you through a few different things that you can do to get your flashlight working again. So let's swipe down from the top right here, and you can see the bottom right there's a little flashlight icon. I can tap and hold on it, and it will give me a different kind of options in terms of intensity of the flashlight. So potentially that's one of your issues, is that the intensity is turned all the way down. So I can turn it up, and you can see on here that it increases and decreases the intensity of that flashlight. Now, if that is not working, there's a few different things to do. One is potentially you're not trying to turn the flashlight on here, but on the lock screen. So let's just open up just an image of what the lock screen looks like. One of the things that you'll want to do is to make sure when you're tapping on the camera icon or the flashlight icon at the bottom left here, you have to tap and hold on it. If you just tap it, it won't turn on the flashlight. But if you tap and hold it, then it will turn on the flashlight, and the flashlight should work at that point. Now, if it's still not working, I recommend going into your settings here and then going into general and software update and updating your software to the latest iOS version. Potentially, there's just a bug in your current iPhone that's not allowing the flashlight to work properly. The next thing that you can do is tap and hold the power button and the volume up button and just restart your phone here. And that should help to kind of reset everything and maybe get your flashlight working again. Now, potentially there's an issue with the flashlight in your camera itself, and I'll walk you through how to turn that on. So let's open up the camera app here. And you can see at the very top left a little flash icon, but the default is either to have the flash on auto or turned off, which means it doesn't always trigger when you take a photo. However, if you're on this camera, if you tap where you can see kind of the table here and swipe up, you can see a menu icon that appears towards the bottom. And at the very first one is a little flash symbol. I can tap on that. And as I said, the default is flash to auto, but I can change it to on, which means anytime I take a photo, it will default and always use that flash. So these are a few different ways to get your flash working again. If you go through all these steps and your flash still isn't working, there's potential that it's a hardware issue, and you might need to take your iPhone into Apple and get them to run a diagnostics to see why your flash on your phone isn't working. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.